if you want to change the resolution on your PlayStation 4, what you're going to want to do is sign into your PlayStation 4 account, go up, go all the way to settings on the right side of the screen, click on it. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to go down until you see video playback settings. Once you see that, click on it, and you can see output at the top where it says output at 1080p, and we can change this by going to turn off automatic, or we can change to another one. If it is available, it will pop up. On this PC, I only have 1080p, or on this PC monitor, so I'm only able to get the 1080p option, but I could again turn that off of automatic, and we can change it to a different resolution if it is allowed. So I'm going to turn that back on. And so I forgot to add an ending to the video on PlayStation 4, changing the resolution. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, let me know. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel below for more tech news, tech videos, tech tutorials, tech courses, tech everything, every day. So just subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Hopefully you go check out my playlist. Hopefully you go check out my channel. And again, subscribe. And I'll again see you guys next time.
But talk straight, whole life in the copy paste. Talking about my mistakes, I guess you can't relate to the path that I chose to take. And picture walk that attacked on my face, but like a promise.